Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to give you a tutorial on Scalenut's content optimizing feature. This feature is designed to help you enhance the quality of your old posts, thereby improving your rankings on Google. It provides suggestions on NLP keywords, SEO, meta descriptions, and more. Click the link in the description to access the platform. Now, let's dive into the new dashboard for Scalenut. They've made some significant improvements, making it simpler to use. You'll find three main tools: the article writer, the content optimizer, and the keyword planner. These tools are complemented by templates and documents to streamline your workflow. The keyword planner now includes a new feature, a graphical representation of your keyword clusters. This makes it easier to identify the best keywords for your content quickly. Meanwhile, the content optimizer has a new tool called Fix It, which provides suggestions to improve your content's SEO score with just a few clicks. Another noteworthy feature is the revamped cruise mode, which helps you create SEO-optimized drafts effortlessly. By following a few simple steps, you can generate a draft tailored to your target keyword and location. You can try out these features for yourself with Scalenut's free trial. Simply click the link in the description to get started. Now let's take a closer look at Scalenut's pricing plans. The monthly plans offer considerable savings. Additionally, if you opt for an annual subscription, you can save a substantial amount of money. With Scalenut's Easter discount, you can get a 55% discount on all annual plans, plus double the limits on your usage. You can now generate SEO-optimized articles with just a few clicks. Even if you prefer to start with a monthly plan to test the waters, you can opt one of the three plans. However, if you're serious about content generation and optimization, the annual plan offers excellent value for money. In conclusion, Scalenut has made significant strides in making content generation easier and faster. With its new features and affordable pricing, it's a compelling option for content creators. Don't miss out on the limited-time offer for the annual plan discount. Try Scalenut today by clicking the link in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.